How to get $100 Lyft promo code. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video, and in this video we will see how we can get $100 Lyft promo code. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, what you can do is you can search for verified Lyft promo codes on popular deal websites like Retail Me Not, Groupon, Stick Deals or Coupon Follow, where you can have verified Lyft promo codes that you can use to get the offers or bonus. So open up a browser in your device and in the search bar search for Coupon Follow. Now head towards the first link, that is couponfollow.com. So this is one of the popular websites where you can get verified Lyft promo codes. Once you are here, head towards the search bar and in the search bar search for Lyft. Here it is Lyft.com. So under this page there are various promo codes that you can use in order to get your $100 in Lyft. Scroll down a bit and look for various options. If you are not able to find the exact $100, you can combine the small amounts in order to get $200. So for example, here it is $16. If you scroll down more, there you will have $50 and you can combine such amounts in order to get the $100. Now in order to get the code, what you have to do is click on this show coupon code, and now here you can copy the code. After that, go to the Lyft websites, log into your account, and you can use this promo code during the checkout, where you can get certain amount of discount during the checkout on your product. Or else there is a direct option as redeem at Lyft. Click on it and you will be directly taken into the page where you can use the promo code. So that's how you can get $100 Lyft promo code through various popular websites. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.